So, yun pong si Agent Kalilong ay inimbita bilang testigo para patunayan ng authenticity nung recording. Dahil ginamit nung depensa yung bahagi nung recording at ipinresenta nila, ibig po bang sabihin wala ng debate, authentic yung video recording?
Para sa amin po sa prosecution, wala na pong debate dyan. Parang pinapakita nila na authentic. Bakit sila magpapakita ng portions of the same video kung hindi sila naniniwala na ito ay authentic? But I could not go further to that, from that, because that was already going to the merits of the case. Yung ebidensya na po yan, yung pag-i-evaluate po yan ng evidence. Pero to suffice it to say na sa tingin namin ay hindi na magiging issue yung authenticity. At pinakita na nga ay yung proseso, in-explain, inano sa atin, pinakita sa atin ni Agent Kalilong paano ino-authenticate ang isang video recording. Step by step, lumabas po yun doon sa direct examination at wala naman pong na biyak na anumang parte doon sa testimonya ni Agent Kalilong. Kahit po under the crucibles or the test of cross-examination, because the cross-examination is a stress test, it's really a stress test, and therefore kapag hindi bumibigay ang ebidensya, ay ito ay lalong tumitibay after cross-examination. At yun po ang tingin namin dun sa pag-cross-examination kaya Senior Agent Mark Kalilong na lalong tumibay yung kanyang testimonya after cross-examination.